In this video, I'll be sharing with you on how to set 30 frames per second on your 4K recording. I'm sure many of you out there wouldn't know this option. So in this video, let me walk through with you on how to set 30 frames per second on your 4K recording. Hi guys, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. So here's my Sony A7C camera. I'm sure most of you wouldn't know there's this option for you to change your 4K video recording settings to 30 frames per second. So let me show you what I meant by 30 frames per second. Right, let's switch on the menu of this Sony A7C. So now we are at the menu system of Sony A7C. Let me show you the 4K recording settings by default. What is available. Okay, so to go and check the record setting, you need to go on top, select the purple button, which is the camera 2, and then you can see the file format, which has been chosen as 4K, and the record setting is 25 frames per second. So if I enter into the record settings, you only will be seeing two options there, which is 100. So this number 100 means is the data, the bitrate, how it actually transfers. So that's the reason for the 160. So don't get mistaken between the so-called frame rate 60 or 100. Yeah, those are not the frame rate, but it's actually the data rate. So in order for us to have these other options, 30 frames per second, you need to change the settings from PAL to NSDC. Okay, so how to do it? Let me show you. So let's exit and move up to the top icon. So just move to your right to the setup. So you will come to the setup tab and then enter and then move to the second page within the setup folder. You will have option NTSC PAL selector. So here you can see NTSC PAL selector. This is where you need to change to NTSC in order to get the 30 frames per second on your camera. So let's go and turn on this NTSC. So change to NTSC, reboots after change is made. Movies recorded in PAL cannot be played back if changed. So just proceed by clicking enter. So it reboots right now. Now it's running on NTSC. Okay. Settings applied. So now what you need to do is to go and verify your record settings. So go back to the top tab again, move to the purple tab of the camera setting option, and then go to record settings. Before even I selected the 30 frames per second, is automatically being shown as 30 frames per second. You can see here 30p. So let's go into these record settings, and here we are right now. So we can see all the options available now. 30 frames per second, 100 bitrate and 60 bitrate. So for YouTube video, the recommended frame rate is 30 frame rate as the option, and if you want to have a cinematic kind of a recording, you can choose the 24 frames per second. So this is how you actually change your record setting. So I'm sure most of you out there would not know there's this option. So I hope this video tutorial has been useful for you, and you can try applying to your Sony A7C and enjoy recording. And thank you for watching this video. Until then, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.